Being kept as a pet not only stifles wild animals' natural behaviors and instincts, but it could also severely impact their health, even after being removed from the pet situation. Meet Charlie, a Japanese macaque rescued from the pet trade by Born Free USA in 2018. Charlie had spent 7 years as a pet before biting and injuring the grandson of his owner. He was almost killed, but local animal advocates intervened to save Charlie's life. When he arrived at the sanctuary, he exhibited extreme signs of stress and aggression. He struggled to socialize with other monkeys, likely due to his unnatural upbringing. After less than a year under the care of expert staff at the sanctuary, Charlie was found deceased in his enclosure one morning. The reason he had passed was unclear. Despite his mental suffering, he was otherwise fit and healthy. During necropsy, a pathologist found high levels of stress hormones and concluded that his death had been caused by years of compounded stress, which had compromised his immune system so much that it resulted in widespread hemorrhage. Put simply, Charlie died from the stress of being kept as a pet.